Hello guys, today we are going to do colors with Blueberry. Hey honey. Hey, why are you so angry? Okay, Blueberry, get the blue one. Look, baby. Get your blue one. Your blue one, right here. Here it is. There's your blue one. Yep, he absolutely loves it. He does just throw it around and stuff. This is a bird or a dog? Oh. Good bird. Good bird. This is my budgie Blueberry. Purple one. Look, your purple one. Play with it. Hey, you want your blue one? Your favorite blue one? Get your little ones. Look. Get them. Get it. Get it, Blueberry. Get it. Here, I'm going to take out other ones. Blueberry, get your blue one. Look, here. Blue one. Look, right here. Hey, don't bite me. Bite your little toys. Yeah. These are actually tiny little clips. They're so tiny. Here's a, like, for example, second. Like a Coke bottle cap. Next to one of them, they are so tiny. Here you go. Hey, get your blue one. Blue fairy. Hey, Painty. Aww. Show Daddy how pretty that is. And Mommy. Blue fairy, get your purple. Your purple and blue one. Get them. Look. Look. Ow. Ow.
That was her hair. Mark up
Elizabeth, move. Stop! Elizabeth!
Elizabeth!
You're distracting him.
Sit.
But I want to go on the computer.
Go.
But I want the snack and
And then take your snack and drink.
Get your
I
purple one.
think your drinks are the other.